Hey, what's up everyone? In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can install APK files on your iOS device or iPhone. So if you want to learn how to do that, stick around for this tutorial. So I'm going to be showing you guys using my own iPhone so that you guys can easily check it out and follow the step-by-step without any issues and be able to download and install this cool app that allows you to do that. So let's basically go ahead and get started with our tutorial. Alright guys, so in order to get your APK files on your iOS or your iPhone, what you want to do is you want to head to this app here, and this is what it looks like, and all you have to do here is just type up the link and click download, and you'll be able to have your APK files for iOS. That's basically it. So I'm going to show you guys how you can actually get this app that allows you to do that. So what we want to do first is, since we are iOS users, we need to make some adjustments to our settings. So go ahead and click settings, and we are going to head to battery. Click there, and we're just going to make sure that we have low power mode turned off and that we have at least 10% battery in our device. And then we're just going to head back to our main settings, and we're going to click general and then background app refresh, and then up here again, and we're going to select either Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi and cellular data. Whichever of the two you prefer is fine, just do not select the off option. And then we're going to head back to our general settings, and we're going to click about, and we're just going to confirm that we have at least iOS 11. So if you don't have at least that, make sure that you upgrade it before you try to download and install the app, just to make sure that it is compatible with your device. Okay, so now we're going to head back to our main settings, and we're going to scroll down to Safari, and then we're going to go all the way down and click advanced, and the final step would be to have JavaScript enabled, just like that, and that way you can make sure that you all will be able to download and install the app from the place that you can get it from without any issues. So that is a very important step, and that is actually our final step for our settings adjustments for iOS. So basically we can just exit out of there, and now what can you do to be able to get the app, or where can you go? Basically what you want to do is you want to head to your web browser. It could be Safari or whatever other web browser you prefer, and what you want to do is you want to head over here. You're going to type that up there in your web browser. You're going to follow some simple instructions. There's also like a little tutorial video in case you need it for the instructions, and you'll be able to get your app that allows you to install the APK files on your iOS or iPhone device. So that's basically it, guys. Once again, just head over there, follow some simple instructions. Doesn't take any more than 5-10 minutes, and you'll be able to get your app. Like I said, there are instructions. There is like a little tutorial for the instructions, but it is pretty self-explanatory. Doesn't take very long. So yeah guys, that is it. That is how you can have this cool app that allows you to get and install APK files for free on your iOS device. So I hope that you enjoyed it, and I will see you next time. Bye!